Okay, right. So now in question 2. In question 2, they say that if it is further given that all the oranges that are picked are packaged with 9% from each harvest selected for export, 31% sold to the local market, and the rest are sent to a factory to be made into juice. Alright, what percentages will be sent to the factory to be made into juice, right? So we are looking for the percentage of which they are made into juice. Now the percentage that we also need to look at for here, we need the one sent to factory. So we need sent to a factory, not yet made into juice. We need the one sent into a factory, right? Sent to a factory. All right, we're gonna basically say 100% minus 9% minus 31%. If you do that, you should get 60%. Now remember, in our previous question, we determined that the probability of oranges not picked, right? Sorry, oranges not picked. We found out that it was 0.195. Now remember, probability always ends up into a whole number of 1. So to find the percentage of oranges picked, we're gonna basically say that 1 minus 0.195. And if you get that, if you do that, you should get 1 minus 0.195 equals to 0.805. Now to find the percentages or the probability of the oranges that will be made into juice, you're now gonna say P made into juice equals to, you're gonna multiply 0.805 with that 60%, 0.60, then you should get an answer which is 0.805 times 0.60, and you get an answer which is 0.483, which is basically 48.3%. 48.3%. And then that's how you could have possibly, that's how I assume, because this is the way that I'm actually approaching this question. Maybe there could have been another better way that you could have done it or could have thought of it, but this is the way I'm thinking of it, because we are given 9% and 31%, so there must be a percentage that we need to first discover to be able to ask to deal with it in the question. And then after finding that question, we had to find the oranges which were picked. Remember, we are dealing with oranges which are picked. Here we are told that we are dealing with oranges that are picked, which are packaged with a certain packaging. So we have 60% which are sent to the factory, and then we needed the percentage, the oranges which were picked. Remember, at first we calculated the percentages or the probability of the oranges not being picked, but now we had to find the ones that were being picked, and then we had to multiply the percentage of the ones being picked with the ones that were sent to the factory to combine them to give them the ones which were actually made into juice, which is actually 48.3%. I hope that you understand it.